This is the 150 years of Kolkata Tram. Kolkata Tram has been running in Kolkata for more than 150 years. So during this time right now, what they have done is create an old feel of Kolkata in the how the tram was. You can see all this TT who are dressed up. Previously it was run by the British. So right now the Britishers have come down dressed up like conductors and enjoying the 150th years of tram in Kolkata. People of Kolkata, along with the press, took a lovely ride back in the memory lane of the old trams of Kolkata. This tram journey started from Esplanade and went all the way to Shambazar. This is the old colonial place where the tram used to run before. It is sad to see that slowly the trams have been phased out of Kolkata roads as they are slow and they do a lot of traffic jam. So we hope that one day the tram will get back to the glory days.